Curious all of you. I would like to share you with. I have a dream of a community designed with my classmates around me. I have dream of people and nature in mind and heart. On my dream, I have so many visions. Visions that may not seem as truly yet. My first vision was about Brandon. I saw him in NBA basketball. Joined in Yakuza, a Japanese mafia, became the leader of them. Had a comedy show flight on television and became a blockbuster. John Paul, whom I saw on the street selling quail eggs, Joyce became a breakdancer. Became a model in different fashion. Then Mark, who owned a mental hospital, became a professional psychologist. Even became an agriculturist. Forestry has left the city and migrated to the mountain range of Sierra Madre. Diva became the heartthrob of the world. She also became a professional dentist. Dara became a choreographer and a fashion designer at the same time. Marian had her commercials introducing a new product of computer science. Victoria had her own billboard posting extra. Dave Gaul had her diet. Generally, was together with Eliza in a party. Marian became Leonard's wife. I didn't have any vision. Ellen had her own variety store in front of their original store. Became a fashion designer.
No.
Lloyd became an entertainer. Leslie was together with Lloyd, became a breakdancer. Abigail owns a pet shop. Jamaica migrated to Jamaica. Emily was together with Marian, introducing the new. Caroline was still studying as a fine arts student in New Biliman.
Theater art.
Emily had her own funeral service. Other families with a teacher. Patient of Denmark.
Wow, super.
Community will not be happy without me. Kelly, I was very successful. I became a billionaire. I wish it was really good with a happy end.